This How to 1 minute will show you how to set up SSL on Namecheap hosting via cPanel. After the certificate has been activated and issued to you by the certificate authority, you can proceed with deploying the certificate in your cPanel. Now follow this step-by-step guide to do it. First of all, log into your cPanel account and scroll down. Under security section, click on SSL/TLS. Now click on Manage SSL Sites under the Install and Manage SSL for your website HTTPS menu. Now copy the certificate code you received from the certificate authority, including begin certificate and end certificate, and paste it into the certificate CRT field on the next page. And click on Select a domain and select here your domain. Click on the Autofill by Certificate button, which appears next to the certificate entered, and the system will attempt to fetch the domain name and the private key. Now copy and paste the chain of intermediate certificates into the box under Certificate Authority bundle if it is not filled in already, and then click on Install Certificate, and congratulations! The certificate is now installed on the server for your site. So that's how you will be able to set up SSL on Namecheap hosting via cPanel. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.